Hi, this is a third topic AP question that there will be a series of probably 4 videos on this particular topic, but I wanted to start out with this one right here where um, I thought it was pretty appropriate for this time of year, and perhaps you'll see this one again in the near future. I'll read this one. It says, "There is no snow on Janet's driveway when the snow begins to fall at midnight. From midnight to 9 a.m., snow accumulates on the driveway at a rate." Now notice it says rate here, so I'm going to circle that. Actually, I'm going to circle that in a particular color. I'm going to move that over here because I think I'll be using it for different things. And let's get my color editor. Okay, right here, a rate. All right, and my rate is this. Okay, and that's important to know. All right, so that is the rate that's falling, where t is measured in hours since midnight. And so it says Janet starts removing the snow at 6 a.m. or when t equals 6. So the snow falls for 6 hours without Janet removing the snow, and it continues until 9 a.m. So there's 3 hours where she's, from 6 to 9, she's removing the snow. G of t, I'm going to get this color. G of t, again, this is a rate, and it's also in cubic feet per hour, is the rate at which she removes the snow at time t. So these are constants. So she's removing it at 125 cubic feet per hour from 6 to 7, and she's removing it at 108 cubic feet per hour between the hours of 7 and 9. So that gives us kind of an idea. And the first question is, how many feet of snow has accumulated on the driveway from 7 a.m.? Well, I want to know a total amount of feet that's accumulating. So what I'm going to do is not the speed, but accumulate. So it started at 0 and went to 6, and I want how many feet accumulated. So I didn't take any away, and that's going to be the absolute value because I want total, and I do not know if this function dips or not, of 7t times the cosine. Oops, that's wrong. I wrote it down wrong. 7te, and we haven't talked about this function, but it's an exponential function. And actually, to do this problem, we're going to let the calculator do this problem. Cosine of t, absolute value of that, because I want total amount, dt. Okay, so I'm going to go to my calculator, and I'm going to enter that in. And I'm going to execute this. And it's going to be math. And I want derivative. And I want absolute value. Oops. Absolute value. And I want 7x. And then I think I got a function e on here, and everybody should have that on their calculator. And I want the cosine of x. Okay. And I want 6 up here and 0 down here. Okay, so I'm integrating to get my total, and I'm going to have, let me look at that again, and I need around 3 decimal points, so I'm going to have 142.275 cubic feet. Okay, so I've set up my integral, let the calculator do the work, and that's how many cubic feet that I have.